Alright, picture this. You're walking through the desert and you spot a scorpion. Now before you freak out, let's break down how a scorpion actually stings. First, scorpions don't go around stinging everything in sight. They're pretty chill, only using their sting to hunt or defend themselves. So if you see one, as long as you keep your distance, you're probably safe. Now here's the cool part, the sting itself. A scorpion's tail isn't just for show. The end has a little bulb called a telson, and inside it's loaded with venom. When a scorpion feels threatened or spots a tasty insect snack, it curls its tail over its body and aims with surprising precision. The actual sting happens in less than a second. The tip, called the aculeus, jabs into the target. It's basically like a hypodermic needle, injecting venom straight into the unlucky bug. Or, if you're not careful, your finger. Scorpions can control how much venom they use. Sometimes it's just a warning, what scientists call a dry sting, with little or no venom. Other times, especially when hunting, they'll go all in and deliver a full dose. So what happens next? For small prey, the venom works fast, paralyzing or even killing. For humans, most scorpion stings just hurt, a lot. Only a few species are truly dangerous, but still, you don't want to test your luck. So if you ever see a scorpion, admire it from afar. Respect its stinger, and let it do its thing. Nature's got some wild defense mechanisms, and the scorpion's sting is one of the coolest. Stay curious, stay safe.